Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Sprout Social for social media management and customer service. So let's get started. First of all, you can create your account from try for free, or you can schedule a demo, or you can just log in if you have an account. And now I will choose the Sprout Social service. And now I will insert my login credentials and my password here. Then I'm gonna log in. And this is how your Sprout Social will look like. So basically here you have left menu and you have right menu. Well, this right menu will serve your left menu in a manner that I will show in this tutorial. So basically I will try to navigate through each item of this left menu, and I will also use some of the right menu items to serve these options. And now by starting with your dashboard, you can see that it's simply a summary of your insights and your key metrics. You can also use it to continue set up your own account. Next is your smart inbox here, which shows you all the inbox that you have. So basically, if you connected your Sprout Social with Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger, or WhatsApp, you will find that it will be able to show all the messages here. However, in this tutorial, I just connected my Pinterest, so it does not show any messages here. So if you have connected and a platform which use messaging, you will find your messages here. You can also filter them based on source, based on message types, based on tags, and you can also access more filters to control what you will see. You can also filter your messages based on private, completed, saved messages, reply approvals, and you can also custom your own filtration. Next is the cases, which represents tasks. This cases will be empty unless you invite your teammates, which can be done from here, invite a team member, or from people. So this is empty because we don't have any people in our team. By inviting people here, you will find that you have the ability to apply tasks and assign them to different teams. Next is the feeds. This shows all your posts in Twitter, Instagram, or RSS Reader. So if you have connected your Twitter here you will be able to see your posts, and you will be able to control them by Sprout Social. Next is publishing, which is one of the most important tools in Sprout Social. Actually, this is what it controls your posting on different social media. So basically here you can compose a post. You can also do the same by clicking on this compose on the right menu. So by clicking on compose a post here, you will be able to write the post you want. So let's say I want to write a post related to the oil and gas industry. So I can say this is a post on oil and gas industry. I can also add emoji, I can add an image, I can also add product links. So for example, I will upload an image here, and I will choose one of my PC. Now it will be uploaded, so I will wait for it to upload, and here I can say that this is a draft or not. So basically this is a draft, and I will wait for my image to be uploaded. So let's explore the other options till it's uploaded. I can also add a pin title, which I will say oil and gas. This is an abbreviation for oil and gas. I can also choose to pin to any board I want. This is a board that I have created before, which is called my board. You can also add another board if you want. So if you want to say new board, for example, you can write its name and click on the plus sign to add it. Now you can also write the destination URL. So here I will insert my website of my company. You can also add approval workflow. From here, you can add labels. You can add time from here, which I will leave blank on purpose to show you something. Now you can see that your image has been attached successfully, and now you can see the preview of your post on Pinterest. So this is your post, and this is your image, and this is a preview. So basically, if for example we deleted this image, remove image, you will find that you will have an error because you cannot, just give it a second to load. So by deleting the image, you will also find that you receive no errors because this is a draft. So if I chose that this is a post and not a draft, and I closed this, then you will find here errors. These errors need to be fixed before you can post your own new post. So here you will find that schedule is not available. So you have to fix these two errors. So first you need to add an image because Pinterest will not accept a post with no image. So I will upload the same image that I used before here. And the second error is that we did not choose a day or time for scheduling. So if you clicked on this draft, you'll find that these errors have been vanished because you don't need to post this post, and hence there are no errors because you are just saving it as a draft. The save is not available because it's still uploading my image. So now if I closed again the draft, so this is actually a post, I can now go and fix this error, which is detecting the time that I need. So I can say a future time or now at the present time. So I can choose the time specifically, and this is my post and how it looks like. So now I can press on schedule or schedule and duplicate, or schedule and new to compose a new post. So now I will not post this. I will just leave it and move on to the next step, which is the next tab that is called listening. This tab is only available for paid subscriptions. So since we are using the free subscription, we will just pass it. Next is the reports, which show you the reporting regarding all your activity on different platforms here. So if I'm using Pinterest, for example, I can scroll down and find the report which is relevant to my platform, which is Pinterest for profiles, for example. Next is people, where you can see your teammates. And here you have reviews, which show you the reviews of your own platform or your own profile. Here you can also access on settings related to your own account, like connect a profile, inviting a team member, and more. You can also here access on your notifications, your team conversations, your shared links, your browse integrations, which show you the apps that deal with Sprout Social. You can also connect a profile, add a team member. You can see the keyboard shortcuts, which will help you a lot to use this platform. Instead of just clicking and navigating with your own mouse, you can just use these abbreviations. And finally, here you can access on the help center to find dozens of guides which will help you to troubleshoot any problem you face. And that's it for this video, guys. This is how easy you can use Sprout Social. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.